going to show you guys on how to make at least $10 listening to music using your smartphone. So if you want to see how this thing work, follow me to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this video were helpful to you. Without further ado, let's begin. So what you have to do first of all is to go over to your Play Store and download this exact app. So this is the exact app you guys to download, and currently you guys to see that I have already downloaded that on my phone. So what I have to do right now is to open the app. So guys, if I open the app currently right now, if you have already created an account on this exact app, it will definitely automatically log you in. If you haven't created an account, simply click on these three dots and then you click on create your account. But currently I'm going to log into my account because I've already created my account. So right now I got to put in my email and my password. So boom guys, you guys see currently that I have already logged into my account, and you guys see right here that I have currently 27 points in this exact account. So right now let's talk about how can we make money from this exact platform. You guys to make money from this exact platform using 3 methods, which I'm going to show you the main secret method you guys to use to make more earnings without even working or even listening to music in this exact app. So follow me. So what you have to do right now is to click on this exact dot, and then you guys to see bunch of things you guys to do. Musifiq, radio, become an artist. You can also become an artist on the platform, music video, podcast video, this and that, a lot of them you guys to see. So let's begin with the first one, which is the music video. So let's begin with that. So what it pop out there, then it will pop out this exact screen where you guys will see music you can definitely listen to. You can definitely choosing the exact one you wanted to listen to, and then you start getting your points immediately. So let me just click on this exact one. So when you come to this exact one, this is the way it will looks like. Then what you guys to do is simply click on this exact place that say play. Then you guys to see that the music is now started playing. Let me rewind the voice. And you guys see right here that the music is now started playing, so you can listen to it. And also if you want to do it quicker, maybe you don't have time and you wanted to do it very fast, you can simply put in this exact stuff, the exact speed you want it to be. You can put it in 2 times. You guys see it to increase the speed of the music. If the music is 5 minutes, definitely the music might be 2 minutes or 3 minutes or so. So this is the way you guys to do it very fast and be able to listen to music and start getting paid for yourself immediately. Boom guys, you guys see right here that I've in 4 points immediately in this exact music. You can definitely skip it if the music is kind of wasting your time. So you guys see right here that I've in that listening to the music. And let's check our balance. You guys see currently that our balance is now increased to 28 points in this exact screen. So you can also choosing to listen to more music in this platform. So let's click on this exact one to listen to it and also see how it works. Then also remember to put this to the speed test. Let's make it more faster for us not to waste much time in this exact particular music. So let me show you the difference. You guys see how this thing sound. So you guys see how this thing sound as it's playing very fast. It looks like even the beat rhyme with the speed I'm putting it in. So this is it. So guys, you can also skip on this exact music if you don't enjoy it. You can simply skip on it, and they're also going to reward you even when you skip on it. So let's skip on it and go over to other things. So other ways to also make money from this exact platform is through this exact place that say music video. If I click on music video right here, they will pop out the screen that say BTX. If I click on BTX right here, so this is the music video you guys also watch and listen to, and you're also getting to get paid while doing that. So let's just choose in any particular one we wanted to watch. Let's say this exact 100%. Let's say this exact one. So guys, you guys see right here that this has popped out. Definitely my network is kind of bad, that's why it's not responding that very fast. So that's it. So you guys will simply click on this exact one for it to start playing. So when you get in playing on this exact music or listening to this video that been listed to you, you're also going to get this point, which you guys also convert that as a real cash for yourself. So this is it, and things you guys to be doing in this platform, even other things like even other things like other videos, podcasts, listening to podcasts, and other things you can be doing and be making money from this exact platform. So right now, when you have already make money from this exact platform, then you start thinking about how can I withdraw my earnings. So there is things you guys to do for you to start withdrawing your earnings. You are going to first of all set in your payment account, and then you start talking about withdrawing your earnings. So let me show you how to do that. So if you click on this exact dot right here, it will show you right here where you guys to see transfer history, your balance, your purchase, and all that. So click on your balance. So when you click on your balance right here, this is where you guys to see that I have currently 32 on my balance. So right now, what I have to do now is to simply choosing the how can I withdraw from this exact platform. So right here, I'm going to put in this exact place and click on this exact place that say transfer history. So if I click on transfer history right here, it will pop out this exact screen that you guys to see where you guys to put in your withdrawals. So for you to be able to withdraw, you guys to put in the payment settings. Click on payment settings, then it will pop out this exact screen where you guys will put in your account name, your account number, and everything that is needed. Then you guys should definitely save that. So when you save that, then you guys should then you guys also click on this exact place that say withdraw. So then you can be able to do what? Withdraw your earnings. And for you to be able to withdraw from this exact platform, you are going to get at least 2,000 of their coin for you to be able to withdraw it on your balance. So if you reach that requirement, definitely you can place in your withdraw and withdraw your balance. So that's it for today's video. I believe you guys understand and let's sort it from this video. If you really do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell if this video is helpful to you. Without further ado, let's end it. Peace.